on Abel Martinez.
No agreement.
You sign in on Abel Martinez? or no?
Stand right over here.
Sorry, I signed it on, but it was not on that sheet. It was on your. Yeah, okay.
Everything gets on your side.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. This man.
Abel Martinez.
All right, court is calling.
Thank you.
2021 CR 9487 State versus Lee Andrew Martinez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Melissa Albin for the state.
Warren Wolf for Mr. Martinez.
Are you Lee Andrew Martinez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the documents entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did, and I understand it.
Are you the same Lee Andrew Martinez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 9487 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 2, 4 to 200 grams on May 2nd, 2024 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
We're going to proceed on the violations on the first amended, Your Honor. On or about the 4th day of November, 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Lee Andrew Martinez committed the offense of evading arrest in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Not true.
In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Lee Andrew Martinez did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of July, August, September, October, November, and December 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
And in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Lee Andrew Martinez did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, and October 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And we'll waive the allegations in the original, given that they're out of county.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 4 and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 4 and 4?
Yes.
Court will find 4 and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
I guess not, Your Honor. We're recommending revocation and 6 years to do.
Judge, we'd ask that you follow the recommendation of the probation office. I don't know if you have the court summary.
No. Any objections to the court reviewing the court summary?
I've got it, Warren.
Warren.
I have it.
She has it. She has it.
I have it, Warren.
Okay, well, I'll get the copy for myself.
All right.
So you see their recommendation is inpatient treatment. Of course, he has some issues out of county, which are the ones that we weighed. So you'd have to clear those as well. I told him he's not going to be able to deal with that here. He'll have to.
All right. Does he want to address why he didn't report? That's the easiest thing to do.
Exactly.
And it seems like he has been missing for, let me see.
About a year, then.
Yes, he's been gone for a year. So
I've
you want to raise your, do you want to address that?
Yes, I do.
You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Lee Andrew Martinez.
Any objection to the court inquiry?
No, Judge.
All right, why didn't you report in July 2024?
Well, the last time I did report,
No. Why didn't you report in July of 2024?
I've just been busy with my family and work.
Why didn't you report in August of 2024?
The last time I did report, I sat there for like 3 or 4 hours, and they told me my probation officer wasn't going to see me. So I just sat there and waited, and then I ended up leaving.
So, and what month was that?
Not the first month, but there was.
I believe June.
All right, so what that means is that you didn't report for July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. And if you haven't reported, then what have you done? Did you take UAs with them?
I did.
Well, how did you take UAs if you didn't report?
I think I only took maybe 1 or 2.
All right. So did you complete sober support meetings?
I think just a few on the Zoom, maybe just a couple.
Did you complete your parenting classes?
No, I didn't complete parent.
All right. So basically, you didn't do anything. You did nothing. And I don't think you're a good candidate for probation. The minimum you can do when you're on probation is report. And you didn't do it. So I don't think
Lee Andrew Martinez faces the consequences of repeated probation violations, missing appointments for over a year, failing to complete required programs, and neglecting court-ordered responsibilities. The court questions his commitment to rehabilitation. The judge weighs his explanation, but ultimately determines that his actions show he is not a candidate for continued probation.
you're a good candidate for probation. And whether you're working or not, I don't know if that's true or not. You know why I don't know this, if that's true or not? Because you didn't report. So I don't think you're a good candidate for probation, and I'm not going to continue you. And I don't know why in this case there will be a recommendation from probation for you to be continued when you've been missing for well over a year.
I think I just needed like some treatment help, and then possibly something.
I don't know if that's true. You know why I don't know if that's true or not? Because you haven't been reporting for over a year. I don't have anything to show that you've done anything.
I feel like if I did get treatment, it would help me out in society, and I would be able to possibly do better when I get out.
This is the thing. I don't know if you need treatment. And you know why? Because nobody's seen you. You've been missing. I will tell you, some people, not everyone, I don't like to say everyone, some people always need treatment when they're looking at a motion to revoke. But I don't think you're a good candidate for probation, and I'm not going to continue you. I tried, but when you disappear and you're gone for over a year, that's telling me you don't want to be on probation. So I'm finding 4 and 4 true. I'm going to find you guilty and revoke. The state is asking for 6 years. Counsel, what are you requesting?
Judge, the underlying is for vape pens from, penalty group 2. This is not methamphetamine or heroin, it's a cocaine.
Stipulations on this, please. You may continue.
And we'd ask that you consider the lower end of the
Despite arguments for treatment and rehabilitation, the court emphasizes that Martinez's prolonged absence from supervision reflects a disregard for legal obligations. The judge reviews stipulations and prior reports, noting insufficient documentation. With probation revoked, the decision signals accountability, highlighting the justice system's role in enforcing consequences for sustained noncompliance.
range. The range is 2 to 20, somewhere in the 2-3 year vicinity.
Do y'all have the stipulations?
Judge, they should be scanned into Odyssey. I'm looking it up right now.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Waiting on Odyssey. Odyssey's been very slow, Judge.
Mhm.
Thank you. Judge, I handed you the file. Am I correct on that one or no, Judge? Okay.
No, I don't have the stipulations. All it has is the admonishments.
I'm looking right now, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. No, Judge, it doesn't look like anybody had scanned in the stipulations from this case since it was started in 2024. I do not have anything on record at this time. There is, oh, hold on. Next.
Just give us one moment, counsel.
Judge, unfortunately, at this time, I've looked through every single page on Odyssey for STIPs and it's not scanned in, Judge.
The court formally sentences Martinez to 6 years in prison, granting credit for time served. Additional restrictions include fines and limitations on residing with minors. Therapeutic community programs are mandated, balancing punishment with rehabilitation. The judgment underscores the importance of reporting, compliance, and personal responsibility within the legal system.
Your Honor, I'm trying to pull up the police report. I don't know if you would want to see that.
All right, any objections to the court reviewing that?
I'd like to see it first.
All right, well, it should be what's in the stipulations. There's no need to do it. I'm just going to go strictly on what's the indictment. All right, is there anything else you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Judge.
All right. As previously stated, the court is finding 4 and 4 true. The court will find you guilty of revoke. The court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There should be no residing in households with minors. There should be a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. The court will order the therapeutic community.
Thank you.
Is there any need for any no contact orders?
None that I'm aware of, Judge.
State?
As far as I know, there isn't, for pending cases. I don't know what's going on with them, but I don't think that they want a no contact at this time.
Well, isn't one a violation of a protective order? One of the new cases?
No. Yeah, I don't think he doesn't have to be PO, right? No, I think it's just a misdemeanor assault, and my understanding is the victim does not want a no contact order.
What is the complainant's name? So, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
I did.
Yes.
Yeah, I just wanted to clarify, Your Honor. I think the new number ones where there was possibly a VPO and something else, those were out of county. And so we don't know anything about the facts of those cases. Locally, he has the assault, which that victim is from, and then an evading. So
All right.
if there's a VPO, I don't know who the other victim are.
All right, thank you.
Sure.
All right, thank you. Good luck to you.
Reach out.